What's up, guys? It's your boy Chemo. I'm with the homie CEO of Royal Detail.
Royal Detail and Wash. Holla at your boy.
And we're about to see if we can get these headlights clean. Here go the befores. So first, the step is cleaning the headlights.
Just real quick, just a quick wipe. Nothing major. You know what I'm saying?
Got the new wheels on it. Damn, fool, that shit cleaned it up already.
We're gonna make this bitch hard right now. Watch. We're gonna be like, shit.
Hell yeah. So if y'all guys need any detailing, any car wash, hit up the homie Angel. Drop
Instagram, Corrupt AG, and or Royal Detail and Wash.
for real. You heard the man.
You do this shit again, bro? Just hold it, don't put it too much. Hopefully this shit works, huh? Now we're gonna use the gray pad.
Alright, Angel, appreciate it, bro.
You know it.
Hit up the boy Angel, Royal Detail Car Wash. Things look brand new. Alright guys, so the homie Angel did an awesome job restoring the headlights. But yeah guys, if you ever need your car detailed here in Atlanta, hit up the boy Angel. Right now we're over here at Publix trying to get some food, trying to get some groceries, but don't look like we're gonna be able to get any shit. Yeah guys, that's it for today's vlog. It was a quick little vlog that I wanted to capture. See you guys on the next vlog on the Chemo channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And see you guys later.